Do you know many people are having trouble with priming their coffee maker? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Place container. Start by placing a container under the steam wand to catch the water dispensed during priming. Step 2. Start priming. Press the Start button. The machine will begin priming, and water will flow from the steam wand. Step 3. Wait for Stop. Monitor the progress on the display and wait for the machine to automatically stop. Step 4. Warm and rinse. Once stopped, wait for the machine to warm up. It will automatically rinse and clean itself. Step 5. Catch rinse water. Ensure the rinsing happens with a container under the coffee dispensing spout to catch the excess water. Step 6. Ready signal. After completing the rinse cycle, the machine will display a ready signal, indicating it's primed. Now you should be able to successfully prime your coffee maker. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Philips users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.